Hi, we're the boys. Welcome to Cooking 101.
Good evening.
So we took some
evening.
beef. I'm gonna break it down for you real simple.
Alright, here's Chef
We're about halfway through. We're
Chef
about halfway through.
Benazana.
Threw it in that saute pan, you know what I'm talking about. I had to throw in some of that Alfredo sauce.
Double Michelin star chef Benazana.
Now, Benazana, tell us about your specialty. What do you like doing with the sauces?
What I like doing with the sauces is just more Worcestershire. Let me tell you, I used
All
to
of
drink
it.
that.
How many? Like 2 shots? 2 shots, would you
Save
say?
some sauce for the steak.
I used to drink
Alright,
it
that's Joel.
straight.
Chef Joel.
Well, you heard it from...
Chef Joel's specialty is putting the meat in the pot.
And mixing it.
Oh boy.
My
We need those
specialty
skills.
is presenting new ideas that everyone denies and says is a bad one. But I'm there for a good time.
My specialty is knowing where everything is and how to do everything, which is real handy in this industry, wouldn't you say? Let's give you a rundown of what we have so far. We have some
we
mushroom
meant to make a
sauce.
roux, but we did the flour
We put the
last, which is
flour.
not exactly how roux work. But
Yes.
it's okay because there's.
Let me
such
show
things
you.
to blend.
That's what like the whole bottom of the pot
That's the
looks like.
consistency.
Thus
Chunky
far,
right now.
thus far, it is a
chunky
failed
powder.
gravy.
So we're gonna put in the blender.
This is
That's
okay, right, sir?
Yes, that blender can handle the heat,
Let's
I
do
think.
it.
By the way, that sauce tastes delicious.
Okay, so what's
yeah.
what's Joe's title? And what's Ben's title and what's my title? Because Ben is double Michelin star chef.
Double Michelin star
Oh,
chef
that's not hot.
Benazana.
So what is
You
your,
heard it here
what is
first.
your title? Idea man. I'm co-chef.
This is certified genius
One of
Guys, that
these.
smells so
Benoit
nice.
Smythe.
So nice.
How
Yo,
do you
it
lock
tastes
this into
nice.
place?
It's already there. If it sits down, it's.
Are we
it's-
sure?
It's locked.
That's
yes.
locked?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty.
All right.
Shall we blend this thing away?
Let's blend this thing away. You're getting a first-hand, in-focus viewing of how we mix a sauce. It's a real mess. It's a bloody sight to see. Oh boy. How are you reacting so far to this?
That's just wild.
Oh
I
boy.
didn't know they had something.
What do you
like
think,
this.
double Michelin star chef
Oh,
Benazana?
the flour is just getting so blended, you can tell.
As I said, I'm just here for a good time.
Okay.
Let's throw this boiling liquid in a glass blender.
It's a great idea, double Michelin star chef Benazana. This is why we let certified genius Benoit Smythe
Oh yeah.
handle the ideas. I would say that's enough.
I think that was my idea.
This is what I did. It wasn't denied.
Yes.
Oh wow, that's really hot. Feel the sides.
Let me get some.
Ooh.
No,
That
but
will-
it's fine.
that will crack.
No, it's fine.
No, it will not
You
crack.
guys get that out
Definitely
of
won't crack. Do we put it back in?
Special thanks to our
Our sponsors?
Oster.
Sponsored by-
Oster for sponsoring us.
This is a sponsor from the future, all right? Listen,
Zero.
Oster, you owe us a crap ton of money. Do you realize how many people watch our show?
Probably, definitely.
Oh boy, look at that. Look at that
gonna-
well-designed logo.
I'm gonna
Look at
watch
this
that
well-designed blender which didn't
not-
crack. And here we have a bowl of meat. Only loosely cooked, but it'll be cooked more, isn't that right? Double Michelin star chef Benazana.
Look at that ligament right on there. I love it.
Oh,
I don't think
yes.
that's ligament. That looks a bit like fat.
That looks like a lot of Worcestershire
Alright,
sauce.
now we're ready to pour in the
You are
paste.
correct, sir. That
Yeah.
is
I think so too.
fantastic.
All right, now
cut
here we're
prime
going to
steak there.
unwrap.
So I just want to remind you that last time we sewed things. This is so cool.
It is.
This
very
is
cool.
this
I'm
is
very
this is
proud.
what all men need to
Why
know.
not the next time just be another cooking time where we do a different thing at somebody else's house?
We bake.
It's a good idea.
My mom-
Actually,
my mom
wait.
said she'll have
No,
us
you
over
no, you're forgetting
and she'll
something.
help us bake bread.
Guys, the last thing we did was watch ballet, okay? That was the peak of our manhood right there.
do this.
I was gonna say, 'cause we have the two, we might try to go from there. But then we probably wouldn't have it after this.
He's unwrapping it.
Unless we go for layers and then use the other one as a roof.
How?
I see what you're saying.
That's my idea. You see the bottom?
These are the best ideas
Ben, what
from
you-
certified genius
You would
Benoit
just put it
Smythe.
like that, just like that, how it is on top, and that would be
Yeah.
the top. Well, you could do that, but then we
Because
would
then
need a
we
pie
need
dish.
that.
It depends on how
Oh,
deep the
that's
pie
true.
dish
Yeah,
is.
we don't. No.
You know what we would do?
Trash can.
Yeah.
I say we
Okay,
have
so
this.
let's pour meat first and then sauce.